Welcome back to the universe of Backup. In this tutorial, we will learn about what is ReactDOM, why we need to use ReactDOM in React.js. First, we need to learn what is ReactDOM. The ReactDOM is like a helper that makes our React app work in a browser. That makes our React app work in a web browser. It connects our React code to the actual web page like you have imagine you are a chef like react cooking a meal react is cooking a meal. React dom is the waiter who takes your meal and serves it to the customer, the web browser. This is what the web browser. Without the waiter, no one gets to enjoy your cooking, right? So this is what is react dom. React dom is like a helper that makes our react app work in a web browser. Next, we move on to the why React DOM is used. Like why we need to use React DOM is because it helper. It is like helper that makes our React app work in a browser. So that is why we need to use React DOM. Next, we move on to the what are the important methods of React DOM. The React DOM dot render. This is how I show your React component on the web page. It does. This is how you show your React component on the web page. For example, if you want to display a hello world message, you use this method to put that message on the web page. React DOM dot render function methods. React DOM dot unmount component at node. This methods is removes the React component from the web page. If you have a notification that should disappear after a few seconds, you use this to take it down. This is what is React DOM dot unmount component at node. It simply removes the React component from the web page. Next one is React DOM dot create portal. This lets you show a component somewhere else on the page, even if it is not in the same spot in your code. If you want to show a pop-up that appears on top of everything else, you can use these methods. There are three methods in React DOM. React DOM dot render. It helps to show your React component on the web page. Next one is React DOM dot unmount component at node method. This method simply removes the React component from the web page. React DOM dot create portal. This lets you show a component somewhere else on the page, even if it's not in the same spot in your code. This is all about important methods of React DOM. Next, we move on to the what are the features of React DOM. The features coming into the features of React DOM. The React DOM makes sure that when something changes, it only updates what's needed, making everything run. So it helps your React app work the same way on different web browsers like Chrome and Firefox like that. This it is a server-side rendering. You can also use the React DOM to create a parts of your app on the server, which can make it load faster. This is what are the features of React DOM. Next, we move on to the how to use React DOM. What are the use cases? Coming into the use case, it is a single page applications. React DOM is a great for apps where you want to change what you see without reloading the whole page. For example, think of a social media app. See, without reloading the whole page. For example, think of social media app where you can switch between your feed and messages without refreshing like that. This is the use case. And next one is the dynamic interface. If you have an app that needs to update in real time, like a chat app, React DOM helps make those updates quickly, like that. Next, the React DOM is a tool that helps you show your React component on the web page. Why we need to use it helps to show our React component on a web page. It is essential for making our app visible and interactive. Without React DOM, your code would be able to display anything in the browser. This is the key point. How to use React DOM? How to use coming into the how to use React DOM means like first we need to getting started with. I'm taking one example to show. First, I install React and React DOM. First, you need to have React and React DOM in your project. You can do this with a command like npm install React React DOM. React DOM. This is the command. It create a simple component, right? A basic React component, for example, like we'll show. Here in this, I'm showing taking one example to show. I just remove these things. It return like h1 hello world, something like something means it would be displayed. I save these and run this code. Like it's showing a hello world. This is the what is like it returns a hello world something. I create a simple components, the basic React component, the function app. It returns h1 hello world something like this. Next, how to render the component. Use a React DOM dot render to show our component on the web page. Like I need to import React React from React. Import React from React. Import. Next, the React DOM. dot render app document dot get element by id of root. Like I save these and run this. Like in this example, document dot get element by id root is where you want to display our message. The app component will show up in that spot on the web page. It displays the hello world. This is all about React DOM. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.